Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to recover Coinbase wallet or how to find your phrase. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Coinbase wallet and then you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, in order to recover your Coinbase wallet, you need to have the secret phrase associated with your wallet. So once you have created your account on Coinbase wallet, you need to tap on the settings tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, among the given options, you just have to tap on security. In the security, you will be able to see this wallet section, and right next to it, you will be able to see not backed up. If you see not backed up, it simply means that you haven't recovered your Coinbase wallet yet, or you haven't copied your secret phrase associated with your Coinbase wallet account. So here you need to tap on this wallet 1 tab, and then you need to provide your fingerprints in order to log in into your account. Now after that, it will show you the prompt that says recovery phrase or private key request. We have detected a request to view your wallet's recovery phrase or private key. Only allow access if you are attempting to view or back them up. So here you just have to tap on the allow button, and then you will be able to see the secret phrase in front of you. So you just have to tap on the backup with Google Drive, or you can even backup manually. This way you will be able to easily recover your Coinbase wallet account, and you will be able to easily find your secret recovery phrase associated with it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.